guys, welcome back to LISEN with Aurora and Kev. And today we are going to put it in
a phone case. No, it's not a phone case. It's a phone holder. As you can see, and this is Kev over here. Welcome guys back. That the Infiniti, we don't have anywhere place to hold the phone. And
we do have that.
But that's the screen for the radio. But here we have the cup holders. There's really no place really good to put it. And I was looking to see on Amazon one of those phone holders. And I didn't want to obstruct any of the views because of just how we have the menu right there. We have that. So, and on this side, I didn't like it. But over here, what I thought, and I saw when I had the Subaru, I don't think I have any picture of it. But I used to have before a CD holder for the phone. So it's gonna unbox this. We're gonna look at this. It does give some case. It does give us another adapter so we can put it on there. This is a 2-in-1. So let's see how this goes and let's check it out and we'll give you an honest opinion of it. You ready?
Yeah.
I'll let you open it. So we have here, this is gonna be one part. This is one of the adapters, and then we got the other adapter there, so we can put it into one of the vents. And what else we got? We're missing another part. What is that? Oh, we got the phone holder here. All right. And you got a little bind. It opens and it closes. So now let's check it out. Let's see which way we're gonna do it for. So we're gonna put this here, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna press the emergency brake. We're gonna press the brake, and we're gonna put it in neutral. Just so we can have some more, well, in drives, just so we can have more space on it. So this looks pretty cool because, oh, it has a little knob here so I can move this around.
Wow.
Hey, all right. So I do like this. This is pretty sturdy. And I like how I can also put this in both ways. So I can put this side. And it doesn't take that much area. And I have the car on reverse, but we put this in park. Emergency brake always on. But even if I put this like it's at that close position, look. You have space. Reverse, drive. And you can still put your hand here and you can see your phone. So if you get a text or anything, you can see that. Or if you want to put this sideways to watch a movie, that's not that bad. I've been driving around literally having the phone like this in position, and whenever it turned, it would fly. Or I had my phone like this, and that was annoying. So I do like this. It is built sturdy. I like it. And also LISEN, I think is how you pronounce it. Well, I'll put their link. I got this off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. So if you guys have a Infiniti Q70, M37, M54 as well, because I know these are all the same inside, and these vents are too small if you don't want to have a cup like the suction cup one there. You can put it here because it is pretty big. Mine is a 17, so I don't know about the other vehicles, but I know for Q70 17 you can put it right there. It fits. I didn't try it because I was having an issue with it, and I do want to just have it here on this side. I just don't think it's gonna be clean and flush here because it will be hitting the pillar. So I have to put this on the bottom over here, and it looks you see, it wouldn't be really clean, and it's like, no, I don't like it at all. I didn't like it when I put it there, and I tried testing it. I said I'm not gonna record it because I didn't like it there. I like my phone here to be in visibility, but this is perfect. The little release button, and it looks pretty nice. So if you have your cable, you want to run a small cable, you could put it, directly through here. You have the outlet, so boom, connects there. Mine is pretty long, but I'm just gonna run it through here. When I do my ambience, I am thinking about seeing how I can run a new cable I have as well. Just snake it through, maybe make a hole here so it could just be seamless and clean. So whenever I don't need it, this cable is not outside like this. It's nice and tucked away. So once that is there, I'll see how I'll do that so I can make it easier to just have it here connected like this. That's the goal. I am planning on doing an upgraded radio as well, so that's going to be in the further videos, but I'll give you my honest opinion with this. I love the quality of the plastic. It is a plastic material, but it's sturdy. I'll give you guys an update within 30 days of me using it as well. Today is May 16th, so we'll definitely reconnect with a follow-up video on how long it standed, if I have any dislikes of it or driving wise as well. I'll give you the whole breakdown as well next month. But as of right now, I'm happy with it. I like it. But that's the video for today, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. There's more to come, so thanks for subscribing, thanks for being a part of the channel. Aurora's over there. She didn't want to be a part of the video today, well, half of it, and then she's like, I'm gonna go hang out over there. But this is the video for today. Once again, guys, thanks for subscribing, thanks for the support, thanks for the love, and we'll see you guys in the next one.